I'm really honored to receive this precious, very special award today. So, you would like to know what is VOCA and why VOCA? So, VOCA is like one world, one family, is the vision of VOCA, the mission of VOCA to make the world a happier, better, and a safer place. It's a platform for everyone. Today, I saw these two young children who's been awarded. It's amazing. So, I would love to have like any talent, any skilled children, any child to be on my platform. Maybe I'll connect with them later. So, Voca is a OTT app which is for children 2 to 12 years old, and it's a safe, soft manoranjan, and it's much needed, I think, in today's world, where you can leave your child with the screen. Though screen is not like everyone's choice, but if they have to be, that's the best thing, where you'll feel like safe. It's very entertaining. It's very educating. It's been officially launched. Voca has been officially launched 6 months back, and to our great surprise, that today over 10 million people viewing this. It's a free app so that it teaches the masses and into the interiors, the villages, and to all. And it's a very easy app where you don't need to struggle too much, and people are just loving it. So I'm very happy for that. Voca is my legacy, my gift to the children worldwide. I've lived always in a joint family, and I feel that the joint family system was one of the very good system which I really miss today. And because of the joint family system where we had our elders who would always guide us, who would help us in our anytime we had any difficulty, they always had a solution. So I feel joint family. We've been talking about uh, like everybody is here talking about the value system, the culture, which is India, which is like VOCA now. And I'd love to, through VOCA, I want to give these messages that, the app is about all that, where once you see the app, you're with it. There'll be a lot of like values, value-based stories, value-based films, and it's like a wholesome. Anything you can think of is there for the child, and it's all very safe and soft. I'd like to give a tribute to our past and present elders because I think they are the people. Because of them, we are here today. We've learned we are cultured. We have our value systems in place. So I've just penned down a small poem which I'd love to narrate in front of you. हमारे पूर्वजों को नमन हमारा, मन में प्रश्नों का पिटारा। कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स, थे जो हमारे सर्वरक्षक, जिनमें थी अटूट शक्ति। जब कोई संघर्ष होता, मस्तक पर उनके कभी कोई शिकस्त न होती। कितने संपूर्ण थे वो, पानी जैसे बहते थे, किसी के अच्छे बुरे समय में हर वक्त बस जुड़े रहते थे। कर्मयोगी थे, धर्मयोगी थे, मगन काम में रहते थे, पर परिवार या घर समाज का ख्याल हमेशा रखते थे। सपरिवार भोजन होता था, सपरिवार भोजन होता था, और बातों का दौर होता था। कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स, बेखौफ होकर जीते थे, सबकी सुनते और समझते और सुझाव भी देते थे। कोई शिकायत न कोई हिकायत, बस नरमी ही रहती थी। उनकी हर बातों में कुछ सीख एक नई होती थी। कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स, कितना कुछ सिखा गए। जिंदगी जीने का मकसद और मायने बता गए। काश सब वैसा ही रहता, काश सब वैसा ही रहता, आज न यूं हम बिखरे होते, अपने घर और परिवार को एकजुट बनाकर चलते। अब दुनिया आगे बढ़ी, नए शोध नई खोज हुई, पीछे न रह जाऊं मैं, हर सोच एक होड़ हुई। इसी होड़ में खो गए, नींदें भी कम हो गई, अपना ले एक बीच का रास्ता, समझौतों से जोड़े रिश्ता। थोड़ा खुद को हम बदलें और बदले वो खुद को जरा सा, शायद फिर कुछ रंग बदलेगा, जीने का कुछ ढंग बदलेगा। इन्हीं विचारों के आंगन में अकेली मैं बैठी रही, कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स, उन्हें सोचती मैं रही। कहाँ गए वो महान से शख्स, कहाँ गए वो महान शख्स।